Welcome again, Dental Assisting 101 students. Guess what we're going to talk about today? Putting a Toffelmeyer together and a matrix band and actually placing it on a tooth. Okay, so down here. Of course, this is a model of a tooth. I know we got some teeth missing and y'all probably like, oh goodness, look at that. But we're going to focus on this tooth and placing a matrix band on it. All right, so this is a matrix band. First things first for dental assistants, it's always kind of complicated when you're using this Toffelmeyer. So we're going to fold it. One thing I want you to notice, focus. This side right here is much wider than this side. Look at that. Look at that side and look at this side. That side, this side. Now, the smaller side goes towards the gum line, which is going to be facing you when you place it on this Toffelmeyer. Okay? So here we go. All right, so this is the Toffelmeyer. This middle part here controls the up and down of this, okay? This bottom part controls the tightness, the security of the actual band. So here we go. All right, facing up, just like I told you. It's facing up. So you see how this is sitting up high? We're gonna loosen it because we're gonna have to turn this and it falls right on in. You see that? All right, now this is down a little too far. So you're like, something is wrong with that. So we're gonna use this middle part, which is gonna go towards my left, push it up. This controls the up and down of this. Remember that, never forget. This controls the up and down of this, all right? So we want to go up some, so of course we're gonna go towards the right. All right, so it depends if we're doing right and left, all right? So let's just say we're gonna put it over here, all right? Now, remember this is towards the gum line, so this is what's gonna go on the tooth, all right? So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tighten it just a little bit. The band is not gonna be completely tight because I'm gonna have to make it big or small depending on the tooth. All right, so here we go, you ready? Now, this is a molar, of course, so we don't make it wide enough. A lot of times I will take the end of an instrument and stretch it a little bit. Look at that. Take the end and just kind of stretch it out. See that? So it can go around the molar. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to stretch it. See if it's wide enough. Just a little bit. So guess what? I might have to open it up a little bit more to make it bigger because of the molar. So I'm going to open it up a little wider, pull it out, tighten it back up, and we're going to widen it again because this happens a lot. Sometimes the first time it doesn't work, so the doctor, either you or the doctor have to open it and widen it up a little more so it can fit. All right, so we're going to try this one more time. Voila, look at that. And guess what I'm going to do? Tighten it, because remember, this part secures it and tightens it. And this middle part here, which reduces the size of this. You see how it's supposed to hug the tooth a little more? So guess what? I'm going to take this. You see how it's going in? Look at that. Look how I'm using the middle. I'm using this to tighten the band. I'm reducing the size of the band by using this. I'm tightening it by using this. So watch. There we go. Now it's secure. Make sure the band is secure and it's on the tooth. That's how you place a matrix band around a tooth. Okay? This is facing down, not facing up. You know when you're doing it wrong? If this is facing up, it's facing down towards the gum line. All right? So that's how you place a Toffelmeyer. This is great. All right, my dear. And once again, thank you for watching my Dental Assisting 101 video.